If you've been scrolling online lately, chances are you've come across those flashy ads for PrimaFocus glasses, the so-called miracle eyewear that supposedly restores your vision without the need for a prescription, and the claims sound almost too good to be true, which is exactly why they grab attention so quickly. Imagine being told you could ditch expensive eye checkups and corrective lenses, all thanks to one pair of revolutionary glasses. Sounds tempting, right? But once you look a little deeper, things don't seem nearly as impressive as the marketing makes them appear. The first red flag is the bold #1 best-selling claim plastered everywhere. Yet when you check their store, you'll find they brag about having over 9,500 buyers, but strangely, there are only a couple of reviews posted, and even those look questionable at best. Another issue is the use of stock photos and videos, which suggests that many of the testimonials or results being shown aren't even from real customers, but borrowed content from elsewhere. On top of that, the website itself behaves oddly, with sudden redirects to different pages and even recycled contact details, which doesn't exactly scream trustworthiness. And when trying to track down genuine reviews outside of their own sales funnel, there's absolutely nothing. No verified buyers on forums, no independent reviews, no trace of legitimacy beyond their own ads. Now, this doesn't automatically prove it's a scam, but it definitely raises enough doubt to make you think twice before pulling out your wallet. Products that really work usually have consistent feedback across multiple platforms, clear transparency about the company, and some form of trust-building proof, none of which are present here. So, while the idea of fixing your vision with one pair of glasses sounds incredible, the reality of PrimaFocus is clouded by unanswered questions and suspicious marketing tactics, making it something you should approach with caution rather than blind faith.